In Excel for correlation. In this case, we're going to find the correlation coefficient as opposed to the parameters of the regression line. Once we've entered our data, we just click any unused cell. Again, type an equal sign to signify that we're going to enter a formula. Then we type correl for correlation. Open the pair of parentheses. Now we can highlight either of the two columns. I like to stick with putting the Y column first, since that's what we did for the slope and intercept of the regression line. Then we type a comma, and then we select the other column, and then we type in the parenthesis to close our function, and then press enter. And so that is our correlation coefficient. In this case, if we rounded it to 3 decimal places, we would have 0.642. Let's say we want to look at the scatter plot. Then what we would do is we would highlight our data. Make sure you get both columns and all of the data. Then we're going to go to Insert. And we're going to select Chart, XY Scatter. And we have our chart right here. I can change my title as I want. Okay, we can add labels for the X and Y axis if we want by clicking on Add Chart Element and go here to Axis Titles. We can do various other things here. Most importantly though, we can go down here to Trend Line and select Linear, and that gives us our trend line, which in this case is just the regression line, whose correlation coefficient for this data is 0.642. Thank you very much.